How to turn off auto download media on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishalka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and then tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen. Here, tap on the chats option you see there and you will see the option for save to photos. Make sure the toggle button for save to photos is toggled off, and with this, photos and videos that you receive will not be downloaded automatically. Additionally, go back to settings and tap on storage and data, and under the media auto download tab, go ahead and tap on photos and set it to never. Further, go ahead and tap on audios and set it to never too, and similarly set the video and the documents to off or never too, and with this, media on WhatsApp will not be downloaded automatically. So this was about how you can turn off auto download media on WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.